Della Terra, from the Italian phrase meaning of the earth. At East to West, a division of Forest River Incorporated, our Della Terra brand brings the journey of a lifetime to your front door in the 2021 East to West travel trailer, the Della Terra. Shown here are the 312BH and 271BH floor plans of the Della Terra series. Our travel trailer begins with a frame that lasts. The Della Terra features a Norco automotive anodized frame and slide package and enclosed and forced air heated underbelly. Built on 5/8" tongue and groove plywood decking, the Della Terra's frame and floor construction exemplifies East to West's high level of craftsmanship. In addition, the Della Terra features 2-inch sidewalls, 25% thicker than other travel trailers. And for the most solid flooring construction, the mounted heat ducts keep the Della Terra's floor free from soft spots. The finished and insulated pass-through compartment is equipped with LED motion sensor lighting and features 110-volt outlets on both sides. The Della Terra features an oversized door on the pass-through compartment or on an additional storage area. Conveniently located in the Della Terra's pass-through is the universal docking station, featuring a standard battery disconnect and hot and cold freshwater shower with quick connect faucet. The Della Terra can be optioned with the solar package, including controller and 50-watt panel. Set up and maintain your campsite easily with the Della Terra's exterior features, including the power tongue jack, optional power stabilizer jacks, power awning with LED lighting, standard black tank flush, exterior TV hookups, and an additional campsite spray port with quick connect faucet. The Della Terra features optional aluminum rims for a sleek appearance and is additionally standard prepped for a backup camera and solar connections on the exterior. Entering the Della Terra has never been easier, with the standard MoreRide steps that fold up for travel. The Della Terra's spacious interior features 81-inch ceilings and expanded slide windows to frame the newly upgraded farmhouse interior design. Stainless steel appliances, including a residential-size 12-volt 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator, Magic Chef appliances, and flush mount farmhouse stainless steel sink with high-rise faucet perfectly accent the all-plywood drawers and solid surface countertops for a seamless kitchen space. The Della Terra can be optioned with the matching interior RV gas-electric refrigerator, with additional storage space including the walk-in pantry and upgraded glass insert cabinets. Della Terra travelers will find ample kitchen space for preparing the perfect family cookout. The Della Terra's variety of seating options include the wider 48-inch booth dinette, which conveniently folds down for extra sleeping space, and features the expanded 24-inch dinette drawers on roller guides. Or get comfortable on the upgraded jackknife couches with side bolsters and additional under-couch storage. To enjoy the view of the optional panning TV and entertainment system, featuring a Furion sound system. Keep warm with the LED fireplace, standard in many floor plans. Behind the solid privacy doors, Della Terra travelers will find high-quality sleep, with all models featuring a king-size bed with bedside drawers, convenient USB and 110-volt outlets on both sides of the bed, and the easily accessible finished underbed storage. Keep comfortable day and night with the Terra's 15,000 BTU air conditioner and 35,000 BTU furnace. The larger Terra models are additionally prepped for a second optional air conditioner and are equipped with 50 amp service. And all Terra models feature a fully detachable, heavy-duty power cord. Get ready for your adventures in the Terra's spacious bathroom. Look up to find an overhead skylight in the shower space for extra height, with some models featuring a shower tub combo. And bring the whole family along on your journey with the Terra's bunkhouse models featuring the space-saving jackknife sofa with raised overhead bunk, USB and 110-volt outlets in each bunk, and abundant storage. At East to West, we offer a limited number of floor plans on our brands to guarantee that all our models provide our dealers and customers with affordable products that offer long-term value. Our high manufacturing standards ensure that each product is built to the same quality and specifications every time. The Terra takes our travelers across the earth for an adventure and memories that last. For more information on East to West and the 2021 Terra, visit easttowestrv.com.